All right, everyone, this is Sunday morning. So I'm going to share my videos of the snow in real time. You get to see what it looks like Sunday morning. And then, of course, Monday is going to be the more dramatic things that we have to do, like shoveling off the roof and things like that. So sit back, and I know you're probably not going anywhere right now. Those of you who are impacted by this storm, enjoy spending the day with me. So let's get started. You're big enough. I'll use the cover then.
Go down your, you go down your way then, the whole way. Down. Yeah, that's good. I just tuck it in.
Ain't gonna go nowhere because the snow will hit it. None of them are long enough. I guess that's better than nothing, or?
You don't have another.
Do you want me to get the scissors and cut it?
More. That's good. That'd be good.
Do you want me to get the scissors
I
and
can
cut?
clean the rest of it.
Okay. All right.
That's good. That wasn't much to clean off.
The valley. Here are the 3 p.m. conditions in the Harrisburg area.
So this was Saturday afternoon, getting prepared more for this winter storm. Bringing in more wood, getting the radio, getting the solar panels all ready to go. Well, I figured it was so cold. It was only a couple degrees. And I figured, well, I might just keep doing what I normally do. So I went about getting the house ready and keeping myself really busy while my husband was doing some small preparing. And now I'm going to go ahead and do some work, and then I'll show you what happened Sunday morning and what's continuing to happen. I think you'll find it really interesting. Just the dialogue between my husband and I when the camera is rolling, but we forget the camera is there. So many times in my videos I like to edit, but then I edit the good parts out. I went and got all of my Peter Rabbit books together, and I thought this would be a great couple days or even a week. They're saying that the weather is going to be dangerously low for the whole week. I thought it would be a perfect day to just get everything out, get it together, and start thinking about spring and about gardening. Now, this part of the video, not everybody's going to be interested in. You're here for the massive snow. I know, but just wait a little bit. You know, just wait. It's going to be getting very exciting here really quickly. But I wanted to get all of my Peter Rabbit books together and get everything so I can work on my gardening. Isn't it sound like a perfect time of the year when we have feet of snow? Did I say feet, not inches? Oh, wait, I guess I did say that. And such cold weather. I don't expect to go anywhere for the next while, that is for sure. Back in our area, we don't have things snow plowed. In fact, we still don't have a snow plow here. Now what I'm doing is just getting all of my greens together to get them to root. And I like to root them, and that gives me fresh food all winter long. Enjoy this part of the video.
we have about at least 6-7 inches out here in the dry.
You don't want to wear hunting clothes. Dad, you're not even dressed warm. You want the snow blower, the leaf blower.
We got 7 inches.
Oh, my head's falling off. Doesn't look like that much on the roof yet.
Huh?
Doesn't look like much on the roof
It
yet.
doesn't look, but I don't know why. I mean, out here in the drive, it's 7 inches. Yeah, I assume it's just here at the edge. You get in further on the roof, it's probably at least 7.
Oh my gosh. Why is it so high right here?
Huh?
Why is it so high there?
I've been pounding snow here the last 3 snows.
Yeah, but I thought it was... At the point of this video, we had about 8 inches. Oh, but this was just the beginning of everything. My husband is hoping that he only has to shovel the roof once. Once it gets to 9-10 inches, my husband likes to shovel the roof because it is a very old mobile home. We have a good roof, but that's a lot of weight. I said to my husband, why don't you get the snow blower out? And he said, well, it's too much fussing around. The batteries only last about 20 minutes, if that. And he said he wants the physical exercise. So I said, okay. He is just working on this diligently. Now, because of the time constraints of YouTube and the hours it takes to upload, this is Sunday afternoon, and Monday you will see the rest of Sunday. Somewhat like a part 2, because the snow is still falling down. And I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. He wasn't dressed very warm either, and I am not happy about that fact either, but I have a stubborn husband, and he knows what he wants to do, and he does it. This is our property, and he's just getting all the work done. You could say we live on the very safe side of things, and so most people would not be shoveling the roofs, but we like to do that. We like to keep very safe. My father was a mobile home salesman, and also we had a lot of mobile home parks, and I've seen roofs collapse because of the weight of the snow. And so we like to just be safe, especially when we have a very old mobile home. Enjoy the rest of the video, my friends. It's a lot of work, and my husband is still outside working, and that I want him to come in real soon to warm up. But he says he's having fun, and who am I to stop him from having his childhood fun? Oh my. That's my Kenny boy. All right, it's getting to the point where it's really hard to walk. Like I said, we're in higher elevation, so we get a lot more snow than anybody else. All right, let's go see what's happening in Homestead Tessie's world. Now mind you, it is 6 degrees out here. I don't know what I'd do without our wood stove. So he's gonna finish doing the roof, and then when he's done with the roof, he's gonna come in and rest for a couple hours, and then he's probably gonna have to go out and do it again because we are gonna get way more than a foot of snow here. So I think I'm gonna end it for video number 1, and I'll meet you guys on the next day and we'll see the aftermath of everything. Take care, everyone. We'll see you guys on the next one. Oh man, it's cold.